The United Arab Emirates is a country located in the Arabian Peninsula in the Middle East. Its history is rich and diverse, shaped by centuries of nomadic tribes, maritime trade, and cultural influences from various civilizations. In 1971, after the end of the British protectorate status, 6 of the crucial states, including Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Qawain, and Fujairah, united to form the UAE. Ras Al Khaimah joined the federation the following year, and Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the ruler of Abu Dhabi, became the first president of the UAE, and the capital was established in Abu Dhabi. The discovery of oil reserves in 1950 transformed the UAE's economy and led to rapid development. The country invested its oil wealth in modern infrastructure, education, healthcare, and diversification to reduce the dependence on oil. Today, the UAE is known for its impressive skyline, world-class cities, and the thriving economy driven by sectors such as finance, tourism, real estate, and aviation. The UAE also became the global hub for trade, businesses, and cultural exchange. It has hosted numerous international events, including the Dubai Expo 2020, which showcased the country's innovation, technology, and cultural heritage to the world. Throughout its history, the UAE embraced a vision of modernity while preserving its cultural traditions and values. The United Arab Emirates Union refers to the formation of the UAE as a sovereign nation. Through the unification of several emirates, the UAE's Union was established on December 2, 1971. When 6 of the crucial states became, namely Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Qawain, and Fujairah, came together to form a federation a year later. On February 10, 1972, the visionary leader of the Emirates, particularly Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, played a crucial role in the formation of the UAE's Union. Under Sheikh Zayed's guidance, the Emirates worked together to create a unified state that would bring stability, prosperity, and progress to the region. The Union was founded on the principles of cooperation, mutual respect, shared goals, and shared respect with all. The rulers of each emirate agreed to establish a federal system with a central government based in Abu Dhabi, the largest, wealthiest emirates. Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan became the first president in the UAE, and the capital was established in Abu Dhabi. The formation of the UAE's Union brought enormous benefits to the Emirates. It proved a platform for collective decision-making, joint defense, and economic cooperation, and the sharing of resources. The newfound unity allowed the United Arab Emirates to leverage its combined strength and resources for the development of the infrastructure. The UAE also became a global center for trade and innovation and cultural exchange, and the UAE also fostered a stable and peaceful environment, attracting people from all over the world to live and work and invest. Sheikh Zayed's festival is a seasonal festival held in the support of the President of the UAE, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The event aims to be a platform for social and cultural exchange, which reflects the vision of the United Arab Emirates, and this event aims also to exchange the cultural ideas and the social ideas in the UAE. Zayed Festivals has a slogan, "The UAE's Uniting Civilization," which is reflected by the involvement of numerous different cultures from around the world. Global pavilions are there on site from China, Egypt, India, Iran, Kuwait, Levant, Morocco, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Yemen, Turkey, Asia, and Africa. Visitors will also be able to enjoy Emirati heritage and culture and other festive events like National Day, New Year celebration, and everyone could enjoy weekly fireworks shows and explore traditional industries crafts in a family and friendly time. An educational environment and entertaining environment is also there. You have a fantastic opportunity to witness the Emirates Foundation and many sectors that are included and participating in this festival. Expo 2020 Dubai. It was a highly anticipated world exhibition that took place in the United Arab Emirates from October 1, 2021 to March 32nd, 2022 as one of the hundreds of remarkable achievements by the UAE. It was the first World Expo to be hosted in the Middle East and North Africa or South Asia region, and it has attracted millions of visitors from around the globe. The theme of the expo was Connecting Minds, Creating the Future, focusing on three sub-themes: opportunity, mobility, and sustainability. The event showcased the achievements and innovation of participating countries, international organizations, and businesses, providing a platform for them to promote their cultural technologies and ideas. More than 190 countries participated in Expo 2020, each having its own pavilion to showcase their unique contribution. The expo architecture was visually stunning. The iconic structures such as the UAE Pavilion and Al Wasl Dome. These events fostered knowledge exchange, cross-cultural dialogue, and the exploration of solutions for pressing global issues. Moreover, Expo 2020 was emphasized on sustainability and thought to be one of the most sustainable world expos to date. Overall, Expo 2020 was a significant event that celebrated human integrity and sciences, cultural diversity, and international cooperation. It provided a platform for countries to showcase their achievements and to encourage global dialogue and inspire visitors with innovative ideas and solutions. The idea of the UAE's mission to Mars came to UAE cabinet retreat at the end of 2013. The mission was announced by Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the late president of the United Arab Emirates, in July 2014. The Emirates Mars mission is an ambitious project aimed at studying the maritime atmosphere and climate, and the Hope probe, launched by the UAE Space Agency, seeks to provide a comprehensive understanding of Mars weather patterns, particularly focusing on planet's daily and seasonal change. The Hope probe was launched on 19th of July 2020, and it went into orbit around Mars on 9th of February 2021. The project was headed by Omran Sharaf. 200 Emirati scientists and engineers from the UAE's and partner institutions were involved as well in the project. The mission was designed and developed and operated and led by Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center. The name Hope was chosen because it sends a message of optimism to millions of young Arabs, according to Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid. The UAE's Mars mission was opened its door for collaboration with international partners from all over the world, paving the way for future advancement in space technology and exploration. And it is an inspiration for us all to know that the sky is not the limit and it's just the beginning. The Museum of Future in Dubai. It is a groundbreaking institution that showcases cutting-edge technology and possibilities in the future. The Museum of the Future was officially opened February 24, 2021 in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. It stands as a symbol of Dubai's committed to innovation, technology advancement, and shaping the future through visionary ideas. The museum is located near the iconic Emirates Tower in the heart of Dubai, and it is unique architecture and it's sight to behold. The structure resembles a gleaming silver torus, adorned with interactive calligraphy inspired by Arabic script. Sharjah is the third largest Emirates in the UAE in terms of land. Sharjah is known for its rich cultural heritage and has been recognized as the cultural capital in the Arab world by the UNESCO. It is a home of numerous museums, art galleries, and heritage sites that showcase the Emirates' heritage and the Arab Islamic world culture. The city of Sharjah, which serves as the Islamic capital, offers a blend of modern infrastructure and traditional architecture. Education and knowledge are highly valued in Sharjah, and especially by the ruler of Sharjah, His Highness Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasmi, the ruler of Sharjah, who played a big role in serving the science and literature and celebrated the 42nd Sharjah's International Book Fair with people. It has implemented various innovative projects to protect the natural environment and to protect science, including the establishment of protected areas such as the Wasat Wetland Center, which serves as a haven of majority birds and other wildlife park. Sharjah is a dynamic, culturally rich emirate that celebrates its heritage while embracing process and development. It offers a unique blend of traditional values, architect expressions, and modern amenities that makes a fascinating destination for residents from all over the world. Sharjah Safari Park is a popular wildlife park located in the Emirate of Sharjah, and it was opened on February 7, 2022 by the ruler of this amazing city, His Highness Dr. Sheikh Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasmi, and it is a family attraction that offers visitors opportunity to observe and learn about a variety of animals and natural species environment. The park spans a vast area and it is divided into two different sectors to house various animals, and it features a mix of African and Asian and Arabian wildlife. Visitors of Sharjah Safari Park, the world's largest safari park after Africa, can explore the park through guided tours. The park provides a unique experience of observing animals and setting them making their natural habitats. In addition to animal exploring, Sharjah Safari Park offers various facilities and amenities for visitors. These include restaurants, picnic areas, playgrounds, and educational centers, where visitors can learn about the importance of wildlife preservation. The 42nd Sharjah's International Book Fair was a renewed annual book fair that is done annually. It is brought together publishers, authors, and book enthusiasts from around the world. The fair showcased a wide range of books, literature events, cultural activities, and educational programs promoting reading and knowledge exchange. The Sharjah's International Book Fair began 40 years ago in 1982 to realize that the human-centric development vision of His Highness Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasmi and his understanding of how important reading is. This event is one of the world's largest book fairs held at Sharjah's Expo Center. The 11-day fair was over 400 literary event, including daily writing workshops, poetry reading, and book signing. Sharjah's International Government Communication Center. It is a prominent institution that was established in 2012. The IGCCC serves as a platform of enhancing effective government communication and promoting transparency between government entities and public. The center aims to foster culture of open communication and engagement by providing training, research, consultancy service to government entities and officials. It plays a vital role in promoting best practices in government communication, both within the UAE and internationally. The IGCC organization organizes various events, conferences, and workshops to facilitate knowledge and sharing, the exchanging of ideas among development of communication. These initiatives contribute in improving the quality of government communication strategies, media relations, and public awareness campaigns. Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasmi, the ruler of Sharjah, has opened the first phase of wheat farm projects in Maleha on the 31st of March in 2022. The initiative aims to secure food supply and rice production to cater the needs of the people in the Emirates. The project will also help to generate more jobs in the sector. His Highness scattered the kernel to mark the launch at the first phase of wheat cultivation will cover an area of 400 hectares and it is scheduled to be harvested in 4 months. He urged farmers to cooperate with Sharjah's government in development of maintaining their farms and focused on specialized farm. Sheikh Dr. Sultan said he would provide electricity and water at reduced prices, in addition to the technical and agricultural consultation to farmers to ensure the crops are healthy and free of harming chemicals. The project will be completed in 3 phases. The first will be an area of 400 hectares. The second on 880 hectares in 2024, and the third will reach its completion on the area of 1,400 hectares in 2024. The city of Sharjah has initiated a notable stride in dealing with child abuse by launching the Kanaf Center, the other amazing achievement from the City of Culture. The center is a comprehensive platform designated for victims to report abuse and receive legal, physiological, and social support. This one-stop center eliminates the need of the victims to visit multiple entities for reporting, investigation, and treatment. The center operations are supported by 9 partner entities, including the Federal Court of First Instance Sharjah, Public Prosecution in Sharjah, and the General Command of Sharjah's Police. Among other, the establishment of Kanaf underscores Sharjah's committed to safeguard victims from abuse. His Highness Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasmi has opened Zina's Splendor of Indian Courts exhibition, organized by Sharjah's Museum Authority in collaboration with Dar al-Athar al-Islamiyya in Kuwait at the Sharjah's Museum of Islamic Civilization. This extraordinary collection, which is scheduled to be on show until April 14th of next year, has opened and assembled over decades spanning from the mid of 1970s to the present day. His Highness received a comprehensive briefing on the exhibition, 3 sections that have collectively housed one of the world's most extensive and prestigious collections of the ancient and Islamic arts. Sharjah's Architecture Triennial 2023. The Beauty of Impermanence, an Architecture of Adaptability. It is running from 11th of November 2023 to March 10th, 2024. The triennial title refers to how issues of scarcity in the global south have created a culture of reuse and reappropriation, innovation, collaboration, and adoption. Sharjah's Architecture Triennial is a platform for architectures and every other urbanism in the region that extends from West Asia to South Asia and the African continent. Many countries in the world are rich with oil and gas resources. Many of them are merged in wars and conflicts and social instability. Only a handful will develop well. And the UAE is surely the most successful young country that used its resources correctly and had the correct management and the correct leadership to these resources that made the UAE one of the most successful countries today. Happy 52nd UAE's Union Day.